my name is Anya, and for today's video I really want to show you how to make an apple cake. If there's any other desserts you'd like to see me make, please leave in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe. To make this apple cake, add in 1.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Then add in 3/4 cup of sugar. Whisk all the ingredients together to combine them. Add in 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of oil, and 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until smooth. Pour the cake batter into a greased pan. Add some chopped up pineapples, which are some apples mixed with cinnamon sugar. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. While the cake is baking, mix 1/2 cup of warm milk and 1/4 cup of icing sugar. While the cake is still warm, spoon over the milk mixture. Serve with whipped cream and enjoy!